So welcome back to LT Education. So in our previous class, we have set up the groupings for time quotas. Okay. And today we'll be going to the next step, that is defining the absence quota types. So in that case, you have to go to the time quota types, and then you have to click on the define absence quota types. So we are doing our configuration based for US. ESC time quota types is basically what is the ESC grouping we have set up. Okay. And for what type of employee? For example, let me open one employee through PA20 screen. And if I see the employee grouping for this employee, uh, that is for one U1 type of employee. Okay. So I have already set up to the ESC time quota types for one U1 type of employee. Okay. So what we have to do, basically I'm opening a new screen. Going to time management, time recording, going to the manage time quota. Okay, so in our previous step, we have group employee subgroup as per the time quotas. Okay, so for example, I am doing the configuration for one U1 type of employee. So the employee grouping I have set up as one. So same thing, I will be selecting the AC time quota type as one, because I'm making this absence quota type available for the employees who are what you can say, the active employee and hourly rate employee. Okay, and those kind of employees should belongs to the PSG grouping 10, which we have already defined for US type of employees. Okay, absence quota type I can give any unique number, for example 10, or any random number you can give. Okay, I will giving the name annual leave quota. Start date 11902 311299. So how this absence quota will be measured? So I'm selecting the type of unit. So we will be measuring our quota in the form of days. Okay, time constraint class is basically the class which we have defined for the particular absence type. So for example, for annually we have defined one time constraint class. Okay, so if I go to this screen again, and if I see the absence for which I am configuring this absence quota, I will go to absence catalog, and here this table determine and screen and time constraint. So you may be already knowing, I have configured one absence. Okay, and for this absence I will be creating the absence quota. Okay, so for this I have used the time constraint class as 02, and it will be linked with the absence quota. Okay, so you can see the steps in which we have configured the absence for absence, annual leave absence. Okay, so time constraint will be 02, and negative deduction to negative deductions means for example, you have uh, allocated the quota of two leaves for a particular month. Okay, uh, for example, today is January, and for this month you have allocated two leaves. Okay, and for example, suppose you have to take a leave of 4 days in this particular month, in month of January. So basically, it is allowing the number of leaves we can take. For example, I can set up the limit two. Okay, so already have 2 days of balance allocated to me, and quota allocated to me in the month of January, and also it is also we are allowing us to take two additional leaves. Okay, so the employee can take 4 leaves in this particular month. But this quota negative deduction quota will be uh, deducted when you have the next quota allocated. Okay, so so for example, your quota balance is 2. Okay, but if you take the 4 leaves in this particular month, then your balance will be -2. Okay, so whenever the new balance is allocated to you, annual quota allocated to you, it will -2. Okay, uh, so we can see this. And already entry exists with the same key, so I can give number 01. 01 also exists. 2, 11, 14, 21. Okay, so we have given the quota name, number absence quota number as 21, because the entries are existing with the different number. So we have given this absence quota type, no leave quota as a number as a 21. Okay, so basically what we do, we create the absence. Uh, for example, we have created the annual leave, and that absence we are linking with the absence quota, that is annual leave quota. Okay, so whenever we will be taking the absence, the quota balance will get deducted. And for example, we are allocating 24 leaves to the employee in a particular month, in a year. So every month, 2 days of quota will be added to his balance. And if we utilize the absences, then that quota balance will get deducted. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.